We are going to do this exercise 4.1, the drawer tray. So you have to start the Solidworks. So we will go to a file, new, create a new part, and then we are doing this in uh, IPS unit system, inches, pounds, and seconds. So you have to change that unit system. So to edit these unit systems, so this is our default unit system, so that it will start with this unit system. So if you want to change it, go to this. So click on this arrow here and click on this edit document units. Click here for IPS and then go. So I will select 3-digit accuracy. So 3-digit accuracy for these values and set OK. So now we are in IPS mode. So to start, so I will show you the final output of this one. So this is the finished product. Okay. So finished model, finished model. So here we are going to create this one. Okay, so these are the features that we have used to create this part. So we have used extruded boss, fillets, a shell command. So that is one new feature, and this rib feature to create these three partitions. Okay, so to create these kind of partitions, we can use rib feature. Okay, so we will follow step by step. So we will go to this top plane. So you have to go to the top plane, create a sketch. So I will pan this one. So to pan this, so you have to use Control and click uh, holding the mouse wheel and Control. So if you move your cursor, so you can actually pan the uh, this window without rotating. So we will do this sketch. So we have to use a rectangle and create R value. So I'm selecting this corner rectangle. So I will start that in the origin and click elsewhere. And then to activate the right dimension tool, so you can use the smart dimension, or you can right click while right clicking. So if you drag your mouse, so you see a wheel like this. So you can select the necessary tools. I will select this dimension tool. So click this length. So this is 12 inches and this is 5 inches. So 4.5 inches. So you can edit again. So if you want to change the dimensions, so you can double click the any dimension, so you can change that. And then we are adding sketch fillets. So you select the sketch fillets, select these edges. So these points, corner points of this rectangle. And then the value is 0.375. So enter the value here and click OK. So you will get this sketch. And then we are going to go to the features, extruded boss. And then we will select these entities. So the length is 3. So we have to use blind condition. We have to reverse use the reverse direction. So we have to activate that. And then we have to activate a draft angle and option and set it to 5 degrees. Uh, so we will go there. And here, here this is 3 inches. Enter 3 inches here. And click on here. So this is draft. If you want to on or off, so you can. So here we have to reverse its extrusion direction. So you click that extrusion direction. And then the next part is here you click here draft angle and click OK. So here this is the finished product. So the next thing is that we have to create the fillet. So we have to add a fillet to bottom of this face. So you rotate by holding the mouse wheel button. So if you rotate, if you drag your mouse, so the model will rotate. So click on this fillet tool. So select fillet and here select this base item, the this base, and the value is 0.375 and click OK. So now you have this final product like this. So the next part is we have to make this hello model. So to create that, we are using the shell command. So the shell command, so we use, so you this is where you can select the shell command. So click here, and then so this is where you select the faces that you want to remove. Okay, so so if you click here, this face will be removed. So you can show the see the preview by checking this box. So you will have this one. So if you select this face, so you can see another. So this is our final product. So that means if you want to remove faces, so you can select the necessary face. So I will delete this one and click OK. So this is the final product. Okay, final model. So the next part is we have to reinforce the tray. So to do that, we need to add another edge here. To do that, so you have to select this face. Okay. So normally, if you go to here, so it is very difficult you to do that. So for that, what we are using is we are using a filter. So if you press F5 on your keyboard, if you press F5 on your keyboard, and then if you select this one, filter faces, so you can select only faces. So you can activate that by pressing X on your keyboard. So you can press hit X on your keyboard. So if I select, if I move my cursor to one edge, so you can see now I have selected the upper face here. So you can click sketch here. So now we are on the upper face. So now we have to create the uh, convert entities. Okay. Uh, so we have to select the outer edges of the selected face. Okay. So we go to this convert entities. Uh, so you have to select this chain. So if I click here, so sometimes. So you can click the edges as necessary. Okay, so you can click these edges and click OK. So now the outage is created as a convert entity. So then we have to select the offset entity. Uh, so so this is the final product actually. So you have to select the offset entity. Uh, Select this offset entity here. So you select this offset entity. Select chain and you select this one. Okay, so if you reverse this, so you have to check on this reverse. Okay. Uh, so then, so actually we need to make this invert. So for that, we use this invert command, and then so the length is 0 0.1, and you have to click OK here, and then we have to extrude to this kind of distance, 0.625. So click OK here and go to features, go to extruded boss. So you have to reverse the direction. So here this is 0.625 and click OK. So you will get this as your final product. So now we are actually adding these partitions. So to add these partitions, we use this rip tool. So for rip tool, we need to create the line that we are going to add that rip. To do that, we have to add the faces. So for that, we have to create a offset plane here. So that's why they have done here. So you have to uh, so this is locating at 0.25 inches below the top face of the tray. So for that we need to create a plane. Okay. Uh, Here we are going to create a reference plane. So click on this arrow. So I am in features tab. So under this tab, so you click on this reference geometry, click on this plane, and for the first reference, select top plane, and here you give it a value of 0.25, and so we need the other way around. So you click this, so check this flip offset option here, and so click OK. So now a plane will be created 0.25 from this below from this top plane. Okay. So now on the this created plane, so you can actually you need to create the sketch. Okay. So So you can click on this created plane. So you have to uncheck this face selector. So you select this one and create sketch. And on this sketch, so we need only to create a divide. So the line necessary for that. So this is the line dimensions. So you can easily draw. So this line should be a vertical line from here to here. And from the origin, so it is, so you place a dimension. So select the dimension tool. Select this origin and this line. And this is 3 inches. And after creating this sketch, so you have to go to this rip feature. So go to this rip feature and go to this rip feature. So go to features, click on this rip and select this one. Um, so so you have to select this extrusion direction normal. Okay. Uh, Thickness is 0.1. Okay. So we have changed the extrusion direction. And the next part is, so you have to have a draft here. So we have to set the draft angle to 2 degrees. And it should be draft outwards. Okay. So we have this draft angle to make it. So you click on this draft angle and click here. It is 2 degrees. Draft outwards and click OK. Okay. So this is what we have created. And the next part is we have to have, so we need to have 2 more of these the partition line. So to create the partition line, so we have to add a linear pattern. Okay. So we need to create 3 copies of the number, and the spacing is equal to 3 inches. Uh, Go to this linear pattern. So on here, so I have select this long edge. So instances, you have to change it to 2. So the distance is 3. And the feature is you select this rib feature. So select the other one. Okay. So you can see the preview of this one and click OK here to create the sketch, like create the feature. So finally, we have to, so this is the final output. So you can actually select the material. So I will also tell you that. So under the materials, you can edit the materials, and then you can select a material as soon as you wish. So we have used this PC high viscosity. So if I apply that, so it will automatically uh, make a PC high viscosity. So this is the output. So this is very much needed when you are uh, make renders. And also these planes, we can hide them. So you can, if you click here, and when you click, there will be a option box. So if you click hide, so you can hide them. So normally, for appearance, we hide these constructions what we have used. So if you are using reference planes and those things, so you can hide them as necessary for the appearance. Okay, so that is the exercise 4.2. So we will move on to the exercise, sorry, that is 4.1. So we will move on to the exercise 4.2. So here you have learned about two new features, the shell command and this rip feature. So you can search more of these rip features. So it is very interesting feature that you can add without so any hassle. So if you use this for your designs, so it will be a very easy to create rips. Okay, especially when you are designing plastic components. So models that is made out of plastics. Okay, so we will move on to the next one. So I will